How's everything with you?
Stick 'em up, cowboy.
Yeah, real funny, Dutch.
Oh, I thought so. So, here we are in a strange land of papists and rapists. America's very own Gomorrah.
This cities all look the same to me. So, how you get on?
I've been asking around about Mr. Bronte, and from what I've heard, this establishment is our best lead, but I haven't had any joy in there so far.
So, I should just give it a shot?
I think so. Just keep it cool.
You know me?
I'll meet you back here anon.
Funny you should say that.
Well, you know how it is. I told him. I
Hey,
said,
can I get a
that's
drink
the state
here?
of Lemoyne for you. America's dirty little French secret.
That's why we love it.
Born and raised.
Well,
I'll get you in a second.
not unless we all get washed away.
Every year they say that's gonna happen. It ain't happened yet. Let me tell you something. The rest of the states, they lucky to have us. If it wasn't for us, they'd probably run back to Britain with the tails between their legs at the first sign of trouble.
You got that right.
Now, how can I help? You look like a whiskey man.
Sure.
Dollar, please.
For a whiskey?
Oh, that's the real stuff. From Scotland.
Okay. Here, have one for yourself.
Well, thank you.
So, mister, can I ask you a question? You ever hear of a fella by the name of Bronte?
Who's asking?
Me. I'm asking.
No, leave it, friend.
What do you mean, leave it?
Look, I don't know what business you in, but leave it, friend. You and your pal that was in here before.
Bronte? Angelo Bronte. Mr. Big, Mr. Italian spaghetti-eating, long streaker piss big. He makes my skin crawl. I'm so swarthy, cocksucker. You know what I mean, friend?
Where can I find him?
Oh, well, I reckon you talk to them kids in the alley, they'll know, I guess. Oh, and friend, you be careful now. Immigrants, they're not to be trusted.
Morning, mister.
Hello, ma'am.
Old Mr.
Howdy
Trimble
there.
running around outside with nothing but a house-cozy girl. Crazy old bastard.
Come on now, this sulking doesn't become you.
You always have to be right, don't you?
I'm just giving you the credit.
Pardon me, but have you seen any kids around this way?
Yeah, I think I heard a few in the other courtyard up ahead. You can get through on the left there.
So are you done with the silent treatment now?
No. Hey, you got a cigarette, mister?
Maybe.
Huh?
I'm looking for a fellow named Angelo Bronte. Italian.
I know him. Everyone knows him.
Where is he?
We'll take you to him. What it'll cost?
I reckon I can pay.
$5.
Where's he live? New York?
I'm an entrepreneur. If you don't want to pay, then I don't want to walk.
That's a bad brat. Here. Come on.
This way. Let's go, mister. You coming, Cleet? Stay close. Easy to get lost around here. Come on, then. You new to the city, mister?
Pretty much.
Don't worry. No one knows it as good as me and Cleet.
Is that right?
Hope hope you won't need his services, but you got the doctor on the corner there. Nice enough, fella. That's Baird and Schreiber on the right there. Famous bookstore. Not that I'm much of a reader myself. Now over here's a real piece of art. That's the Church of the Holy Blessed Virgin, mister. Modeled on the famous church in Toulouse, which is in France. You been to Toulouse, mister?
No.
We're Catholics here, mister. Ain't Baptist or nothing.
My mama said they used to burn Protestants and all, but, we all friends now. Isn't that the most beautiful testament to God's love for us all?
Bet they don't have nothing so fine where you come from, mister. Look at them fine steeples.
Hey, you little bit of shits!
Get going! He's coming after us!
I'll kill you, you thieving bastard!
Bye, mister!
That's a good girl.
You're making a fool of yourself!
You give that back! Bastard got off.
Ah, damn street trash. You after that kid? That other shit went that way.
Thanks for the help, friend.
Morning.
You know, I kind of miss old Bob Tails.
Hey, you see a kid about 14 years old run through here?
Why, yes, we did. He went around the corner there.
You better stop right now! Hey! Moron!
You alright? Excuse you. Bye, mister!
Oh, you poor devil.
You ain't got a chance in hell, slowpoke!
Stop! Shit!
You alright back there, old man?
Get back here!
You drunk or stupid?
Come on, run like the goats got loose!
This is your last warning, boy!
My careful! Ugh, kid.
Excuse me.
I'm telling you, a cucumber's definitely a fruit.
Since when?
Good morning, sir. I read it in the newspaper.
Oh, so it must be.
Fellas, you seen a kid come through here? About 14, 15?
Oh, yeah, he ran right to us. Ran around the corner there.
You make me feel young.
Boom!
I cannot believe it.
This is fun, mister. I like you.
You better stop right now!
What's the problem, friend?
Give me my things, boy!
What are you talking about, friend?
I ain't your friend, but that kid is, and he robbed from me. Now give me back my stuff and take me to Angelo Bronte!
Senor Bronte.
That kid was gonna show me before he robbed me. Now, come on!
You new in town, mister?
Come on.
Mr. Bronte's got a lot of friends, mister, but I ain't never seen you.
We ain't friends.
You don't like no one, mister. Mr. Bronte, he's got fine hair. He got a beautiful house, and I am proud to work for him. He got 50 men, mister. Why he gonna care a thing about you?
I just want to speak with him.
I'm sure you do, mister. You and them friends of yours been asking about him all over town. He been mighty disrespected. Bunch of muddy Yankees in town asking questions. Well, you and your friend should pay him a visit, mister. He's got a big house on Flavian Street opposite the park.
Hey, yokel.
Now, get out of here.
stepping into this place.
Guess you forgot you was yellow.
Let me take a look at you, tough guy.
No call for that. Anything anyone can give me, please help me. Morning, partner. Whoa.
You, mister, excuse me.
Good morning.
Working hard there.
On.
Now, if
Fight
only
to
I was
eat.
getting paid to do this.
Anything.
Well, good luck to you.
Bye.
Please. You. Yes. Please. Coin, please. Please. Look, won't you lend a coin to a fella in need?
I heard this too.
Go get yourself something to eat.
Sir, I want you to have this.
Thanks, friend.
It's nice to give something instead of just begging. I hate asking for money like a goddamn worm, groveling here in the dirt.
Morning, mister.
Hey, look out!
Hey there, sir.
Who let the simpleton out of the asylum? Morning.
Morning, mister.
Hola.
How you doing, boy?
What's in your head, friend?
What's gotten into you?
Over here!
Where you been?
Getting robbed?
Who by?
Bunch of children.
I won't inquire anymore.
But I found Mr. Bronte. Seems to be some Italian Mr. Big in town. Everybody knows him, but nobody wants to talk about him. Apparently lives in a big house on Flavian Street, opposite the park.
Good work.
So what now?
We go pay him a visit. I'll get John, you meet us there. Whatever it takes, we need to get that boy back.
I cannot decide which I like less. The swamps or the city. Both are full of parasites, reptiles, and slime. We're a long way east of land we know, and far from real open country.
Buenos días.
Hey, ma'am. Morning to you.
Morning, mister.
There you are.
You boys ready?
Of course. What else do you know about this guy?
Not much, just he's some slick little greasy-haired European who's clearly got power and money. Now, listen. If we go in there and start shooting up the place, boy's gonna get shot, that I guarantee. Fella like this, gonna have a lot of
Ain't
protection.
no one gonna get shot, Arthur, so everyone just relax. We'll charm them. Trust me. This place,
Must be.
You okay, John?
I guess.
Excuse me, sir. We have an appointment to see Mr. Bronte.
Who are you?
You get your boss down here and now so we can talk about this like gentlemen.
Run along now, boy.
Was that the special Dutch charm I heard so much about?
Relax. I got this.
Don't worry, boys. We come in peace. We just need to straighten a couple of things out with your boss.
Dentro.
Chi sono sti buffoni?
Sono qui per Picciotto.
Coi soldi?
Why do you take his son?
Excuse me.
I said, why did you take his son? We ain't got no problems with you, sir. Nor you with us. But if you want to start one, there's gonna be a lot of folks dead in this room before it's done.
So, you walk into my city, stinking of shit and looking like this, and you come into my house before you have a bath and you tell me how to act? You ask me to show compassion. Have I not shown you almost infinite compassion already by simply allowing you to breathe in my presence?
Indeed you have. Now, we are simple country folk. All we have is each other. And you have gone and you have took his son over some dispute with some inbred ex-slavers. It ain't got nothing to do with any one of us.
You had nothing to do with destroying the liquor business!
We was innocent bystanders. And that which we weren't innocent of, well, we most surely were ignorant of.
You twist words, you lie shamelessly. You think you are better than everyone else. Ti adoro. Vatte davvero sti uomini. Angelo Bronte.
Dutch Vanderlyn. Arthur Morgan.
Arthur, the pleasure is mine.
John Marston.
All mine, please.
So, can my friend have his son?
Of course, of course. But, should I be out of pocket over a misunderstanding? Of course I know you would not want that, huh?
No.
No. So, how about this? You perform a simple job for me, and you get your son back.
What is it?
A couple of people have taken to grave robbing in this cemetery.
Well, that is a fine place for it, the best.
I love this guy. I love you. See, they've taken not only to desecrating the dead, but they've done so without paying a tribute to the living. Thing is, they see my men, of course they run a mile. So maybe you two head off, huh? And you, Mr. Van der Linde, you tell me more about my manners. Salute.
Salute.
What?
Grave robbers? You think he's taking us for a fool?
No idea. What choice do we have?
None, I guess. This is idiotic.
You know where the cemetery is?
I think so. Pretty sure I rode by it earlier. It's real impressive.
You know, you did good, holding your tongue in there.
Do you trust one word that comes out of that bastard's mouth? We don't even know where Jack is.
Listen, we found Bronte. We got in there. Dutch is with him now. All things considered, it could have gone a lot worse.
That poor kid. I ain't been a good father to him. I hope... he's okay.
He'll be fine. I figure the Braithwaites were going to hold Jack ransom for all the money we cost him. They must have sent him here so we couldn't get to him. But Bronte knows by now there's no Braithwaites left to pay him. Jack ain't much use to him anymore. Let's just get this done and let Dutch handle the rest.
I just hope you're right. Okay, I think this is it. Keep it down. Let's hitch the horses up ahead. This way. Come on. Let's find him and get the hell out of here. Keep it down. Don't want him to bolt on us. Did you hear that?
What? Hey there, boy. All right. Gotta keep looking.
Can't believe we're doing this.
I know, but hold on.
Oh, I'm sorry. I had a bit to drink. Our friend died. They can hear us, you know. They're still with us.
You should get out of here, mister. It ain't safe.
Get in cover, and we'll bust the door in.
You boys found my puppies, watching! Damn it!
How many you see?
3, 4, hard to tell.
You should have paid Mr. Bronte.
Jesus.
Kill both of them son of a bitch!
Careful, they're leading us out in the open.
Can't see worth a damn. We sure picked the right night for it. Reckon this is gonna wake a few people up?
No doubt.
Don't you make us do the hard work, God, please!
What? Can hardly see.
What's all this?
Can hardly see what I'm shooting at.
Plastic.
Damn it! I can think of better ways to spend an evening.
Next time Dutch can go and I'll have the drink. Let's get after him.
Sure hope they ain't seeing better than we are.
Keep your head down. Just keep your head down. I think that's all of them. All right. Now let's find their stash. Gotta be around here someplace.
Okay, but we'll need to be quick.
We can't go back to Bronte empty-handed. Let's have a look where they first shot at us from.
Robbing grave robbers. We've hit the big time.
Come on. Let's quickly check that spot where it all kicked off. We can't go back to Bronte with nothing to show for it, Arthur. Like I said, let's look around where they jumped us.
Think there might be something in here.
Got it. Good. Now let's get out of here. Damn, the law's here. Come on, let's see if that gate's open. Locked. Let's just track back to where we came in. Damn it. Come on. We best stick to the side. Coming this way, get down!
I found a body! Looks fresh, still bleeding. Must just been killed. They're still here!
Stay close.
Somewhere. You try the left, and I'll go straight ahead.
Come on, quick. Let's get back to Dutch. Oh!
Easy, boy. Think we lost.
That's my boy. Let's get this done.
Well, you took your time.
Where's your host?
Like I said, you took your time.
I'm glad to see you.
Let's get going. What a fine man. Hey, friend, thank Mr. Bronte for everything.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Come on.
You know, Arthur, Mr. Bronte has invited us to a garden party at the mayor's house. And us, just simple country boys.
Come on now, boy. Passing you.
Let's go! We have a new camp set up, Jack. You're gonna love it. All right, let's get this boy back to his mother.
You sure you're okay, son?
I'm fine. Papa Bronte said you'd come for me.
I'm sorry.
What for?
For that. For taking so long.
I had a fun time. I had my own room with a big bed and a toy box. And lots of books.
Did they do anything to you?
Have you ever had spaghetti?
What's that?
It's food. It looks like worms, but it's delicious.
Is that right?
Papa Bronte teach me lots of Italian words.
Don't call him that, please.
You know, caballo? That means horse. And pantafola? That's a slipper.
A slipper?
They gave me 2 pairs. One for day and one for night.
Well, I'm just glad you're all right.
Oh, yes. I had the best time. But I can't wait to see Mama. Did she miss me?
She sure did. Like you wouldn't know.
Real good to see you, Jack.
You too, Uncle Arthur. Did you catch the bad guys?
Which ones?
At the graveyard. Uncle Dutch and Papa Bronte told me.
Just Mr. Bronte.
Yeah. Me and your pa dealt with them.
I told him you would.
Wait till you see this new camp.
Not another one.
Well, this one's got a house. Not as nice as Mr. Bronte's, mind you.
That's okay.
We'll get you settled and cleaned up in no time.
Oh, I had a bath last night.
Of course you did.
Abigail! Abigail! We got you, your son, everything.
We got him!
Mama!
He's fine!
I'm fine, Mama. They fed me good. Italian food. Did you ever eat that?
Come here, you silly boy. You got him. You got my son back. Dutch, Arthur, thank you. Thank you. I got my son back!
Jack. How are you, boy?
I'm fine, thanks.
Everything's okay now. Abigail?
Can I go play now?
So?
Well, we met Mr. Bronte. He is quite a character.
Is he now?
You ever meet an Italian strong man before?
Not outside of a circus.
Well, let me tell you all about him. John, you go be with your family. Arthur, thank you. Boys, we got some work to do. Interesting work. But first, let's have a drink. We got Jack back!
Well, the boy's safe, thank goodness.
Thank you, Arthur. I don't know how to say it. Thank you.
I understand. Come on. Do as Dutch says. Go be with your family.
That's him! Come on in here! He's back, all right!
Hey, make some room for John there.
Sorry wouldn't kill you. You think this is funny?
Watch him, Marston.
I'm pretending you ain't there.
Back, kid. We missed you. Hey, how about a song, huh? Javier, play us away.
You okay, Sadie?
Sure. You boys did good.
Loitering suspiciously as usual.
I'm just trying to give you all your moments.
Well, very kind.
Ese lunar que tiene cielito lindo junto a la boca. No se lo des a nadie, cielito lindo que a mí me toca. Ese lunar que tiene cielito lindo junto a la boca. No se lo des a nadie, cielito lindo que a mí me toca.
You ain't joining the party, Reverend?
I don't want to ruin it.
Stop feeling sorry for yourself. Okay, well, let's talk more later.
Certainly.
You not joining in?
Not really in the mood.
Okay. All right, well, I should be getting on.
Talk to you later.
You all right, Charles?
All right.
Yeah,
Give
just
this boy
taking it all in.
Sure is good to have the kid back.
Jackie, we missed you.
Welcome back, Jack.
Thanks.
Lágrimas vine llorando.
Abigail?
Hello, Joe. You must be starving, son. Let me get you something to eat.
Thanks, Mama. Can I play a little?
Of course you can.
Well done, John.
Couldn't have done it without Dutch and Arthur.
The old guard. I'm very relieved. We all are.
Yeah. Thank God it worked out.
Welcome back, Jack.
Thanks, Uncle Hosea.
Well, I'll let you fine folks get reacquainted.
Hey, Mary Beth. Mr. Summers.
Hi, Miss Grimshaw.
Ahora verán los cabrones. Ay, ya se secó el jacalito.
Just like a regular evening for you, Uncle.
Well, I try to keep some fun in my life, Mr. Morgan. That's how you stay young.
If you say so.
Mangoes, maidens, paradise, an unspoiled paradise.
Yeah, I hope so.
Faith, Arthur. Have a little faith.
Tell us again.
So I got caught
Thanks.
doing something or other. I was just a kid, 17, 18.
Hey, y'all.
Howdy.
Hey.
Anyway, I got caught by some of you.
I feel like I can breathe again.
No.
Thank you, John. I'm sorry if I was... Well, I was just worried sick.
I know. It's okay.
Eat that all up now, Jack.
Okay,
Javier plays good, don't he?
He sure does.
Well, let's have a good night. We deserve one. Okay, I'll catch you later then.
Sure thing.
All right, all right.
Boring bastard.
Was you scared?
Absolutely.
Good to see you smiling again, Abigail.
Thank you again. Truly.
I missed that little rascal. Well, I should get back to it.
Take care, Arthur.
Let's leave him to play a minute.
So good to have you back.
Thanks, Uncle Arthur.
And to see a smile on your mama's face again.
Hi, Karen.
Anyway, I won't disturb you.
Let me know if you find candy.
Once I was a sleeping maid down in Maiden Lane. My master used to beat on me. My mistress did the same till early one.
my lady.
Hey,
How's it all going?
I guess I'm fine.
All right.
Hi, Mary Beth.
You okay, Pearson?
Yes, indeed. Feels like we can move forward again.
I hope so. All right, well, I should be getting on.
I should do some
You
work.
Getting involved, Bill?
Just getting my drink on first.
Okay. Okay, I'll catch you later then.
All right,
Screwed
Morgan.
me to the wall. He never let me catch my breath. I got no sleep at all. He upped me and he downed me and he coughed me out.
between you
And he fucked me back.
do what you do. Ain't no good, ain't no bad, just things that make you feel good or make you feel sad, and just the length of time between being born and dying. That's all there is. Ain't no old man judging man. Ain't no heaven. And maybe there is damnation.
Well done. That's a weight off, all right. Well, I should get back to it.
All right, Arthur. And I'm gonna be right at home there. That's it. See it for what the hell it is.
Oh, no, I'm okay. Thank you. I'll just watch.
Suit yourself, then.
You okay there?
I am fantastic, Arthur Morgan.
Okay.
No respect for youth or age. On board the Heartland stage, pulling all about the seats as bedbugs do about the sheets.
Started as a thieving line in 1849. All opposition they defy, so people must root hog or die.
Get some rest.
Get some rest. Get some rest.
We're in a pan. Oh, man. Misty plug tobacco smoke. With dresses in tobacco spit. But talk on politics and swear. There's a thieving line in 1849. All opposition they defy, so the people must root hog or die.
Ruined my life.
You walking on behind him. Lug a pole, help him out some muddy hole. Hey,
Have to walk only half the way.
hey, with a cunning laugh, you'll have to push the other half. Started as a thieving line in 1849. All opposition they defy, so people must root hog or die.
Root hog.
Very good. She okay?
Clearly not. It's getting very tiresome.
Yeah, she seems pretty worked up. Okay, well, let's talk more later.
Whatever you say.
There he is, old Arthur.
Miss Karen,
The strong, silent, manly one of us.
you're drunk.
This ain't drunk, Arthur.
It smells drunk.
Well, then don't smell it, you stuck-up piece of shit. Goddamn you.
Take it easy, Miss Karen.
Hello.
Okay, Pearson?
Next time, listen. Faith. Faith is all that matters. We had faith, and we made it. We are gonna make it. We have a plan, my friends, my loved ones. A plan. It is a real plan. We are gonna leave this place, and we are gonna find our own paradise, our own heaven. Tahiti, Fiji, Australia, the real new world. Not this godforsaken dump that all of Europe's detritus has acted out its vengeance on. We are gonna be free.
free.
That's right, boss.
Too right, Dutch.
Sorry, Dutch.
See him.
All day long on the prairie, not even a dog
Go to bed,
by the side.
I know, but go to bed.
Beg your pardon, Jack.
Please. Karen. Go to bed. Oh.
Leave me alone!
And I sleep on the ground for want of God. Ceiling's the sky, my floor is the grass. My music's the lowering of my shiny white ass. My books are guns, my sermons
You
are
fellas
stones.
certainly know how to
Parsons
have
a
fun,
wolf
Mr.
on his
Arthur.
pulpit of
Sure.
bones. Now,
If I had stayed with
sometimes I
O'Driscoll,
rob a
you'd
bank
have
on
probably
Main Street.
killed me by now.
Can't blame
You ever
me
think of that?
for wanting to
We'd
eat,
have both
but
died
show me
at
a
6
man
Points
that
cabin.
sleeps more profound
Yes.
than big old
That's
Uncle
true.
lying out on the
Oh,
ground.
brother, I am really drunk.
Call for our gang's demise. Says we're no good thing.
Anyway, I won't disturb you.
See ya, Arthur.
Parson remarks from the pulpit of those who look out for their own.
Williamson?
Morgan? You know, the problem with you, Pearson, is that you're just a goddamn drunk.
Is that right?
Sure is.
But the problem with you, Williamson, is that you're all talk.
All talk, huh?
Shit.
You all right?
I'm fine.
You two stop acting like idiots. All right, well, I should be getting on.
Whatever you say. I just don't want to die like an animal. That's the thing. I don't want to die like an animal. I want to die like a gentleman. I want to be a gentleman. A gentleman.
Stop acting like a drunken idiot.
I learned it from you.
Just calm down.
frontiersmen that used to scour the plain. There are but very few of them that with us still remain. Day after day they're dropping off, they're going one by one. Our clan is fast decreasing, our race is almost done. There are many of our numbers that never wore the blue, but faithfully they did their part as brave men tried and true. They never joined the army and had other work to do in piloting the coming folks to help them safely through. But brothers, we are failing. Our race is almost run. The days of elk and buffalo and baby traps are done. Oh, the days of elk and buffalo and fields of hay. Those days are past and gone to never come again. We fought against the Redskins, valley, hill, and plain. We fought him in the mountaintop and fought him down again. Those fighting days are over. The Indian yelled his arms. No more along the border. Peace and far sweeter sounds. But we found great joy, our comrades, to hear and make it die. We wanted right homes for gentle ones. And now our West, goodbye.
Hey,
Oh, my head is pounding.
how are you doing?
Fantastic.
Okay.
How have you been, Arthur?
Okay. You seem well, Reverend.
Yes. Well, maybe. I've been okay before, but then I make a fool of myself again.
So do I.
I went into town.
So did I.
If I was still a religious man, I'd say there are too many Catholics there, but I've given up on all that.
Me too, Reverend.
I met a monk there. Kindly fellow, took me back to my days in college.
Is there any purpose to this conversation, Reverend?
Not really, but he said the strangest things about all manner of bad things happening in town.
Bad things happening in a city. Who would have thought it possible?
Yes. Well, maybe if you're there, you could have a chat with him. He's hanging about outside the marketplace, collecting alms for the poor.
Sounds thrilling.
Kieran?
Hello, Charles.
Time to turn in.
My dear Arthur, I hope this letter finds you well. I wanted to thank you for your help with Jamie. He and Daddy are still arguing, but I understand that Jamie is thinking about going back to college. Whatever happens, I believe you saved his life, and we are all truly grateful. Oh, Arthur, I have made such a mess of my life, time and again. Why can I not change and be the woman I want to be? Why couldn't you change and be a man and put down all those fantasies that shroud your judgment? Life is very confusing, and I see now that I am not very good at it. I'm afraid we've got ourselves into another mess. It's not my fault, but I need your help. I'm staying at the Hotel Grand in Saint Denis. Oh, Arthur, I know it is wrong to ask you, but I have nobody else, and for what we once had together, I beg of you, even though I am ashamed to do so. Yours, Mary.